sometimes, leaving is beautiful. The golden forests shed their leaves, not in sorrow, but in grace, making way for what's to come. Beneath the timeless peaks, we're reminded that letting go is part of the journey. And there's beauty in every ending. The wind carries the leaves to places unseen, like memories drifting through time, teaching us that even in parting, there is peace. In the Dolomites, the mountains stand as silent witnesses, their enduring presence reminding us that while seasons change, the essence of what we love lingers, forever etched in our hearts.